Hello YouTube, it's me again. So I just want to do a little review on the TOCE exhaust. Oh man, words cannot express. Look at this. Would you just look at it? Just look at that. Oh my god. It's like, it's perfect. Huh, it's perfect. Just look at the back here. Before I get into this exhaust, just look at that. Would you just look at it? Anyways, it's a beautiful exhaust, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful exhaust. I'm from Canada, and I live in Canada, and we cannot get this here. I ordered this from TST Industries. Once again, TST Industries, thank you very much. You guys are awesome. I wish I could review more products for you guys. I'm just getting into this now, so I love your exhaust. So as you can see, it was super easy to install. A couple of bolts down there. I don't take the fairing off or anything. Just had to take a lever off down there. A couple screws. Took me about an hour. Slip on, easy. Just be careful with the clamp. You don't want to tighten too much because you don't want to crush the pipe, right? But other than that, you guys let me know what you guys think of this. Oh, it's just beautiful. I'm a big fan of it. It's honestly, the camera does not justify the looks. You gotta hear it. You gotta look at it in person. So let me turn it on for you. The bike's already warmed. Yeah. Oh boy. So I'll let you put some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. I tried the True Brothers. I tried the Yoshimura, whatever you want to call it. This TOCE is just perfectly engineered for this bike. They did a really good job. And whoever's a CBR600 out there, definitely recommend get the TOCE exhaust. Man, this thing's loud. It's amazing. It's actually a nice loud. It's not an annoying loud, but it's a nice loud. It's a nice big bass. You know, it kind of sounds like an F1 car, man. It looks pretty cool. Anyways, yeah. I just wanted to put that out there. I recommend the TOCE exhaust for this bike. Leave comments below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any bike pictures, if you want to let me know ideas, what else I can do. But thank you for watching. Bye.